Tommy, you actually came up with a way to take what was going to be just a screened-in porch and make this a little cozier, at least in the shoulder seasons.
Exactly. Well, you know, I thought it would be a great idea to extend the life of it. Now, we were originally going to use a screen door here. All right, so when I ordered the screen door, it actually comes with a glass, so it's a storm door.
So screen door there, but then all of this was going to be fixed screens as well.
Exactly. So this company makes a storm door that looks like this, but they also will make a panel like this that will become a window.
Oh, interesting. And so, like this door, will this pop out and put a screen in if you want?
Screens all the way around if you want them, or extend the season with a storm panel.
Nice. So they just make these panels any size you want?
Any size you want. All I do is measure each opening. They make the panels to fit in each opening. They give us all the parts and pieces to put them together. Now it starts by trimming out all the openings, and we use solid PVC board all around the opening.
And we can just install them right to this.
Right. So it's actually a system of channels, aluminum channels, that you measure them, you cut them to length, and then just screw them in place.
All right. Sounds pretty easy.
It is. Now these channels right here are F channels. First thing we need to do is measure them and cut them to length. Next, I want to pre-drill for the screws. And before I install them, I like to back caulk them so no water drips in behind them. Now one more piece to cut for the middle. Now the last channel that has to be cut to length is called an H channel. And I'll put that in after we insert the panels. All right, so grab that panel right there and push it up into the top track. The top track is much wider, as you can see, or deeper. So if you push that right up high, it goes over the bottom one, and then we push it down right into the channel. There, and now we just push it over tight. Now, to go in between the two, we're going to use this H channel right here, and that'll go over each door.
Want me to get a second panel?
Yep. Push that on tight. Now we'll have just enough space to put that second panel in between the H channel and the F channel. Slide it up into the top channel, way up high. Yeah. Push it. Now back down. Good. Now we just push them over a little bit. We get a little block of wood and tap it over. All right, now we'll just slide this H channel over so it catches both panels. Put the bottom in first. There you go. Just tilt it into the opening. So that's pretty much it. So it took no time at all to take a screen porch and made it a 3-season room.
I like it. I like it a lot, Tom.
Yeah, me too.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.